It's 6 a.m.
We're back, ladies and gents.
We're back. Well, I'm back. You're always here.
I'm always here. Me and Hannah just went and watched the sunrise. We got 3.5 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep.
I didn't think it was that because we went to bed like literally quite early for us, like half midnight.
Yeah. And then got up at 4:10.
Yeah. And I nearly shot my alarm.
Oh my god,
my alarm's out. And I'm the morning one, Izzy is not, and Izzy was pulling me out, but I was like, I was
so excited. We got some photos and I'll put them on the screen now.
They're really cute.
They're very, very cute. I do love them.
And it wasn't actually that cold as well.
No, it's quite warm, you know. My tap keeps dripping.
It won't shut up.
You can hear that, and it's really annoying. But don't worry, like we're gonna get it fixed. God knows when, but soon. Me and Hannah are gonna make pancakes because it's.
What else did you do at 6 a.m?
And we're hungry. Last time I made a mug cake at 5 a.m. Now I'm making pancakes. So it's fine, we moved.
Yeah.
I was like 100 subscribers.
I was literally about to say.
Thank you guys. Which isn't a lot to a lot of people, but like to me it seems like a lot. So like, thank you.
What are we putting on though?
Bacon and maple syrup.
Oh my god.
So stuck.
Oh, Izzy's new hair.
Oh yeah. I donated my hair to charity again yesterday, second time.
She's a charity queen.
Really short now. It used to be like down here. I'll put the before and after photo.
Wow. Is it shorter than mine? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And it's also like wavy right now, so it seems a lot shorter than it is. But I kind of like it, you know. I just feel really light.
I think she looks more grown up.
Thanks, Hannah. We got the bacon. We got the syrup. We got the fruit. We need to actually like figure out what recipe we're gonna use.
I think we should do a plate of maple and bacon and a plate of fruit.
Yeah.
And then Jim stacks pancakes. We could do a plate of golden syrup and fruit.
I don't like golden syrup. I think this is better.
Oh. Golden syrup's my favourite. Okay, well, should we have 2 plates each?
We could just...
Because I want mine to mix.
Okay, you can have 2 plates, Hannah. Do you want American pancakes or like crepes? Because I kind of want the thicker ones.
I kind of want thicker ones too.
Okay.
I like crepes with like Nutella and stuff. Look how pale I look.
Oh yeah, I got a new tan. I spent £50 in fake tan.
No, you get £53. Tap if you need a wee. I mean.
Yeah, I mean it's not gonna help.
Me and Izzy had a really cute 24 hours or however long it's been.
Oh my god, yeah, we were out last night. We took some Instagram photos. What's new?
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, this morning. Oh, yeah. I sat in a car park and on the ground and had my bum for Izzy's photos.
And I was very appreciative of it.
She is. But it was worth it because it's fun.
Yeah. I used to have buttermilk syrup because that tap is going to drive me mental.
Mental illness, innit?
5 ingredients.
It's really nice.
Okay, why is it low-key like healthy? Gluten-free flour, self-raising.
You know, what's the day today? 4th?
Yeah.
It's 2 weeks and 2 days to results day. We should have like a proper cute evening. You sit around mine. We should cook a meal.
Film it.
Yeah, we actually. How cute. I mean, it wouldn't be cute for crying about our results, but
yeah, no, we will be crying.
We move. Why are you going out there?
Is it fresh?
Okay, what can I slack her off about?
Are you one of those people that get mad if I don't let you like whisk the bowl?
No.
Okay, Lily gets so fuming at me. Serving's 8 pancakes.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I was saying like, is that what we need? Yeah, but
4 each. Wow, that maths was slow. What can we update y'all on?
Update y'all.
I just thought your oven clock was wrong. It's not. It is 6:33 in the morning and we've got this much energy.
It's mental. The amount of videos I filmed in this kitchen at like 5 a.m, 6 a.m.
And I think I've ever pulled an all-nighter. I just can't.
I pull all-nighters literally like regularly, like Emma Chamberlain regularly. If I'm not asleep by 3:30, I will stay up all night because I know I'll be in a mood if I don't stay up all night.
See, Izzy only goes on like Snapchat or like the group chat if she's at work. It's 3 a.m. in the morning, or she's like weirdly bored, like extremely
or something
bored.
Like really good has happened.
Yeah, or she like just goes up and like, guys, I'm pregnant.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, if you need me, text me because then I can't ignore it.
That's why Izzy's literally on the bottom of my friend. But we're on the bottom of Shield's best friends list because I just text her.
It's kind of sad actually.
Also, I faked tanned Izzy's butt cheeks last night.
Oh my god, that was the funniest thing. I was stood there like this, trying to balance my towel on this
so
way,
bad.
while my butt cheeks were just like tense, and Hannah's just like rubbing into
your butt cheeks.
That was so funny.
I feel like Hannah personally doesn't wash my fruit.
You are disgusting. Have you not seen the pictures of like...
Oh my god, okay, so...
hannah-mae.
I told you about this. But I went to Waitrose, I don't know when, I was just getting some stuff. And I think it was grapes, and literally inside them, both packs was like, oh shit, what, I think they were little snails or slugs. Like both packs.
And you still don't wash your fruit.
I was like, Waitrose, what is wrong with you?
Because I got strawberries from INSTA. I always wash my fruit, I always have. But I was ill, like, one time I was in Cornwall from like too much sun or something. And I hadn't eaten anything all day. And I went downstairs and I got some strawberries, and this is the one time I didn't wash my fruit.
with us.
And there were little holes in it, and as I was eating them, I was like, maybe I should check it out. I stuck my nail into the hole and out crawls a maggot. There's a worm at the bottom of the cup.
Yes.
This one was 260. I'm not easy. Oh my god, I have so much energy right now. I don't know why. Watch that crash in like an hour.
I probably won't sleep before that then.
That's so sad.
Cute.
Actually,
You know, in Ireland they have large eggs and then very large eggs. I thought that was very creative.
That's very cool, you know.
When did you last film? Was it with Frankie?
Yeah.
Eventful.
Yes, very.
Pancakes always look a bit like vomit for it's, you know what I mean?
I mean, I don't know what you've been eating before you vomit, Hannah, but like, sure.
Yeah. Izzy was close to breaking point this morning, so I kept playing
oh my god,
TikTok sounds, and she was like, I'm gonna kill you.
3.5 hours of sleep, and then all you hear is
a door.
A door.
So you know how I was saying that I might be going away in October instead?
To Greece, yeah.
Yeah, or somewhere. Breakfast buffet.
Oh my god, I forgot breakfast.
I know.
English breakfast buffets existed.
No, not even just English breakfast. Like when you you know when you go like on holiday, you go to hotels and they've got the pancakes, like the crepes, the fruit, the cakes.
What
I do
if you're in this
is I get a plate of like pancakes, cakes, crepes.
I get a fruit salad bowl.
And then I get a bowl of fruit.
Yes. Always get the fruit. This is where I made Hannah's brownies. Yeah. And were they good?
Yeah, they were literally, I'm just joking, they were amazing.
You heard it here first, ladies.
That was the day we went into lockdown, my birthday.
That was, yeah, 20.
My birthday was eventful. I used Izzy's makeup and I was obsessed with all of it. Oh my god, it's 10 to 7.
When did that happen? Whoa.
Izzy was like, if we're at school, we'd be getting up an hour and a half later than we already did.
I'd be on the bus. No, I'd be leaving for the bus.
Let's go to school and everyone's microwave works differently.
Oh yeah, no microwaves the same. Did you know people don't have microwaves? Do you have one?
Well, I have it at my dad's and my mum's.
Not your mum's. See, that weirds me out. How do you not have a microwave?
You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You got me.
Harmonise, really?
Suicide.
No, there's no way I can do that. Izzy can sing and I can't.
Was it me and Lewis singing at my party? Have you seen that video?
I think so,
like,
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I have.
Uh-oh. Well,
oh my, that looks like cake.
It does. So this is how my life's going right now. Me in school versus Hannah in school. Surely you can harmonise like One Direction.
I can't.
Baby, you light up my world.
See,
like
that sounds good. There's no way I'm singing. I'll sing about Izzy, but not on this. Why is it gone like that?
That is me before every time. Hannah, it hasn't even cooked on the other side. What are you trying to achieve right now? It's fine. The first couple are always bad. No, the first one is always bad, but this is in the same pan, so we can call it one.
It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't have much taste, but it's a pancake, so.
It's fine, we move. Crisping up bacon. The pancakes are looking...
Look at what I'm going to talk about.
we don't talk about that. And that tap is really friggin' annoying. I don't know. I'm actually not as tired as
I thought I'd be. I know.
Yeah.
I'll probably end up just like falling asleep at like 11 though.
Yeah, but I'm going all day. Right, I'm leaving at like 6. I'll fall asleep. Oh, it's so
Izzy's a skater girl now. Well, we can pack after this.
boy. She
said, see you later, boy.
Yeah, I can do everything on a skateboard.
She can't.
I can't. I can roll along while someone's holding me.
Who's holding you is?
Nobody.
You took me to the skate park yesterday.
Yeah, I did.
That's what I said.
Was it I had Nando's takeout at the skate park? That was so good.
But the funny is, why are you hanging out there?
I don't know. Why? I actually like Alice.
Oh, I see how it'd be.
We're on an iPhone.
We switched to Izzy's phone.
It's gonna be really bad quality, but
it's fine. We move.
Our personalities shine through the. I don't know what I'm saying. That freaking cap. I swear to God.
Why is that actually nice?
It's just like saturation. On. Beautiful girl. It's why you don't know for work. You got me suicidal.
Remember Shawn Mendes was like it?
I was thinking about it the other day because I was thinking of Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes. And I was like, do you remember when like Stitches came out?
Are they still together?
I think so.
I think you should appreciate that Jacob Elordi is fit.
How do you say his name?
I think it's like Elordi.
Yeah, he is fit, but I like him with Zendaya.
Mm.
She likes him with Joey King.
That's how bored we are.
Yeah.
Quarantine got us.
Oh, ow.
You just leave them now.
Yes. I'm gonna nap on a skateboard and wake up somewhere random.
Izzy was not in the headspace to do anything last night.
I was in such a bad mood last night, it's not even funny. Like, we're not even gonna talk about it. We should go to the beach and just stay there like for a barbecue really late one night.
What did we say we were going to do when you get back? There was something we were going to do.
Oh my god, yeah.
Blueberry pancakes are elite.
But if you don't put blueberries in your pancakes.
Having blueberry crepes when you're on holiday, like I went skiing in February and Izzy was just going, Easter?
Yeah, and you were to go and I didn't.
And then Izzy was like, oh, I'm still going to be going. I'm still going.
And then you got rescheduled to
3 days before, so I'm still going. I was like, I don't think you are.
And then like the day before I was like, no.
Okay. Like, is the whole fucking world
like I showed up to school and was like, no, I'm not. Hannah has, right, I don't want to talk about it.
It's literally not official. I made that.
Hannah sends videos of people popping massive pimples.
I did it one time when we were all in the same room.
Yeah, but no one wanted to see it.
If someone liked it, I can't remember who it was. Maybe it was Farah. I don't remember.
I don't think anyone did. I feel like just these... Oh, wait, is that done? I don't even care anymore. There's a worm at the bottom of the garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm at the bottom of the garden.
What's the next one?
I don't know. No, it's...
Okay, BRB.
See, I would slag Hannah off, but she's not the one editing this, so like... Hi, future Izzy. Get some sleep, because you haven't had 8 hours of sleep in about 2 weeks, but you know, it's fine, we move. Congratulations on 100 subscribers. Proud of you. Does anyone remember the hoedown throwdown?
I was like,
lean in left, clap 3 times, shake it out, head to toe, throw it all together, that's how we roll. Do the hoedown, do the hoedown. If my mum walks in right now, she's gonna think I'm literally on crack, and I'm not gonna lie, I think she really thinks I do it. So, it's not gonna help much, is it? I don't, by the way. I'm sorry to all the Hannah Montana stands that I forgot the hoedown throwdown. I didn't mean to offend you like that. But in my defense, I do know it. It's just not in my brain right now because I'm kind of a bit mind boggled. I completely forgot about the bacon. Oh my god, and now it's a burning pancake. Hang on. So we have our nice and shriveled bacon, but it's fine. The storage was full, but it's fine. We're back now. What I was saying was the bacon's now done, but it kind of shriveled a lot. But we do like crispy bacon, so it's a-okay. You should follow us both on TikTok.
I don't post. Well,
actually, find me on TikTok.
That's a
follow
lie.
Hannah on Instagram. Someone PayPal me money so I can afford a plumber. And then yeah, wash them though, yeah. Hannah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's this? So it kind of goes against everything you just said, but whatever.
Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? I feel like I'm being boring, but also like I thought I was being really boring with Frankie, and then that kind of went well, so we're all good. Right, I think we should start putting these on 2 different plates. Okay, my storage died again, but yeah. I feel like we've got a lot of footage now. I don't even know how long we've been filming for even. What time is it?
Oh my god,
It's 7:30. Okay, we've been filming for like an hour. That's pretty decent. We've been making pancakes for an hour and haven't even eaten anything. But they're kind of going well now. Like low key. Look at that.
Look, why aren't they in the microwave?
Stunning. Because I just got them out because I put that one.
Yeah. Put at the bottom of that plate.
Yeah. Well, it is hot. It's from the microwave. Look how fat this pancake is, like in comparison to these. Oh, it doesn't even look up. So we're gonna go eat these pancakes now. So that is all from me and Hannah for today. I'm doing gum fingers again, it's not fun. So we have my bacon one, which I'm now gonna put maple syrup on. Oh, you did a cute little thingy, I like that. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, that's the fruit one, and then you have my bacon one, and then you have Hannah's fruit one, and and then Hannah's bacon one.
They look so ugly.
Nowhere near as good as
I
mine.
haven't put my thing on yet.
So that's it for us making pancakes. I hope you enjoyed
That
watching
was
us
eventful.
do nothing. Yeah, it was pretty eventful.
But
They look so good. Oh my
know.
god, I can't. Sorry about the tap noise. It's kind of annoying.
And the annoying camera situation.
And the annoying lighting and camera situation. But you know, it's fine. We move. This was cute. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow Hannah on Instagram, all that jazz.
I've decorated mine now.
Pretty.
That is a lot of food. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, we're gonna be so. Okay, I'm not gonna eat for the rest of the day.
In a bit, sweetie pies.
Bye, ladies and gents.